Hey guys, in today's episode I'm checking out a portable EV dance charger, a Type 2 cable that goes up to 16 amps, perfect for home or on-to-go charging. And honestly, why pay $400 for the OEM charger when this one gives you the same features and even more at a fraction of the price? We'll go through the unboxing, installation and all its smart functions. Let's dive in. This is the box the EV Dance charger comes in. It's worth mentioning that EV Dance specializes in complete electric vehicle charging solutions. They offer free shipping across the United States, Canada, and Germany, and they even have charging cables with smartphone connected apps that can handle up to 40 amps. Let's quickly see what you get in the box. First of all, there's the zippered carrying case that holds the charger. In my opinion, it's great because I don't have to throw the charger directly into the trunk if I'm in a hurry and don't have time to wipe it down. Inside the case we have the charger itself, the charging control unit with a digital display and an LED indicator that shows the charging status or any possible errors. And of course we also get the user manual available in English, French, Spanish and German. Operating the charger is extremely simple because it has only one button which controls all the settings. I'm using this charger for a Toyota Beyond Zero 4X. I haven't finished the house renovations yet, so please excuse the mess. As for operation, you press and hold a single button, then press once to adjust the power from 6 amps up to 16 amps. On the display you can see the temperature of the charging unit, the duration of the last charging session and the energy transferred to the battery. At the bottom you have the real-time grid voltage at 241 volts, the actual amperage going into the car and the instantaneous charging power in kilowatts. Overall, great performance for a fraction of the OEM price. Hope you liked my video and don't forget to reward my effort with a simple like or hype. It only takes one tap or click. I wish you all the best. Bye bye.